Good day, everyone. This is Teacher Cherry. In this video, we will learn about geometric mean. We will identify the geometric means given a sequence. Ano ba ang geometric mean? Geometric mean or means is or are number or numbers between any two given terms of a geometric sequence. In a geometric sequence, the first and the last terms are referred to as geometric extremes, while the terms between the first and the last terms are called geometric means. Let's have example. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Ang geometric extremes natin ay yung first and last terms. Ano yung first and last terms? First term is 1 and last term is 32. They are called geometric extremes. Ang 2, 4, 8, 16 ay mga terms na nasa pagitan ng first and last terms. They are called geometric means. Let's have another example. 5, 15, and 45. Meron tayong 3 terms. Ang first term natin is 5. Ang last term natin is 45. They are called geometric extremes. Yung 15 na nasa middle term or nasa pagitan nila, ito ay tinatawag nating geometric mean. Let's have another examples. Let us have example 1. Insert two geometric means between 5 and 135. For our solution, isusulat muna natin. So, meron tayong 2 geometric means. So, we have 5 and then 2 geometric means and then 135. Let's write the given. Ang a sub 1 natin is 5. Ang fourth term natin or a sub 4 is 135 and then meron tayong 4 na terms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ang gagamitin pa rin nating formula is a sub n equals a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1. Substitute lang natin yung mga given. Ang a sub n natin is a sub 4. Ang a sub 1 natin is 5. Ang r natin is missing. And then, ang n natin is 4 minus 1. Ang n natin is 4 and then meron tayong minus 1. A sub 4 is 135 equals 5 times r raised to 4 minus 1 is 3. So, meron na lang tayong exponent na 3. And then, para mawala yung 5, i-divide natin both sides by 5. 135 divided by 5 equals 5 times r raised to 3 or r cubed all over 5. 135 divided by 5 is 27. 5r cubed over 5, makakancel yung 5. Ang maiiwan na lang is r cubed. And then, kukunin natin yung cube root ng both sides kasi yung exponent nito ay 3. Kaya ang magiging index natin is 3. Cube root of 27 equals cube root of r cube. Ang cube root ng 27 is 3. Cube root of r cube is r. Therefore, the ratio is 3. So, hindi pa natin nasasagot yung problem, which is 2 geometric means. Dahil alam natin yung ratio, alam natin yung first term, makukuha natin yung second term. Ang a sub 2 or second term is a sub 1 times r. Ang a sub 1 natin is 5. Ang ratio natin is 3. 5 times 3. 5 times 3 is equal to 15. Therefore, yung second term natin is 15. Para makuha yung third term, a sub 2 times the ratio or common ratio. A sub 3 equals a sub 2 times r. Ano ba yung a sub 2 natin? Ang a sub 2 natin is 15. Multiply natin sa common ratio na 3. 15 times 3 is equal to 45. Therefore, yung dalawang geometric means natin ay 15 at saka 45. Therefore, the two geometric means between 5 and 135 are 15 and 45. Let's have another example. Example 2. Find three geometric means between -2 and -162. For our solution, let's write the given. -2 and then 3 geometric means, kaya meron tayong 3 blanks. And then yung fifth term natin is -162. Our a sub 1 or first term is -2. Yung pang fifth term natin or a sub 5 is -162. Yung number of terms natin is 5 dahil meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 na terms. We will still use a sub n equals a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1. Substitute lang natin yung mga given sa ating formula. Ang a sub n natin is a sub 5. Ang a sub 1 natin is -2. Ang r natin is missing. Ang n natin is 5 and then minus 1. Kukunin muna natin yung common ratio para makuha natin yung 3 geometric means. Ang a sub 5 natin, substitute natin ng -162. -2 times r, 5 minus 1 is 4. And then divide both sides by -2. -162 divided by -2 is positive 81. And then -2 over -2 is makakancel. Kaya ang maiiwan na lang is r raised to the 4th power. So meron tayong 4th power dito. Extract natin by extracting roots. So 4th root of 81 equals 4th root of r raised to 4. Remember, kapag even yung ating index, meron tayong dalawang roots. So 4th root of 81 is positive and -3. And then yung 4th root of r raised to 4 is equal to r. So dalawa ang ating ratio, kaya meron tayong dalawang set ng geometric means. Unahin natin, r equals positive 3. Para makuha yung second term, a sub 1 times the common ratio. So, a sub 2 equals a sub 1 times r. Ang a sub 1 natin is -2 times 3. -2 times 3 is -6. And then, para makuha yung a sub 3, that is equal to a sub 2 times common ratio natin na positive 3. -6 times 3 is -18. Para makuha yung a sub 4, yung a sub 3 natin, mumultiply natin by r. -18 times 3, that is equal to -54. Para naman sa r, which is -3, ganun din ang ating gagawin. Para makuha yung a sub 2, a sub 1 times r. -2 times -3, which is equal to positive 6. Para makuha yung a sub 3, a sub 2 times r. A sub 2 is 6 times -3, which is -18. A sub 4 is a sub 3 times r equals -18 times -3 is positive 54. Dalawa yung ating set ng geometric means, -6, -18, -54, or positive 6, -18, 54. Therefore, the three geometric means between -2 and -162 are -6, -18, -54, or positive 6, -18, positive 54. For our next example, what is the geometric mean between 2 and 18? So, isa na lang yung hinahanap natin. So, we have 2 blank 18. So, yung isang geometric mean ang hinahanap. Ang isab 1 natin is 2. Ang isab 3 natin or third term is 18. And then, yung number of terms natin is 3. Katulad nung nauna nating mga problem, kukunin muna natin yung common ratio. Para makuha, gagamitin natin ang formula na a sub n equals a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1. Ang a sub n natin is a sub 3. Ang a sub 1 natin is 2. And then yung r is missing. Ang n natin is positive 3 minus 1. Substitute a sub 3 which is 18. 18 equals 2 times r raised to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Kaya meron tayong squared. And then, i-divide natin both sides by 2. 18 divided by 2 equals 2r squared all over 2. Ang 18 divided by 2 is 9 equals, yung 2 is makakancel, maiiwan na lang yung r squared. And then, extract the roots. So, square yung nandito, kaya square root of 9 equals square root of r squared. So, even yung ating index, kaya meron tayong dalawang roots which are positive and negative 3. Square root of 9 is positive 3 or negative 3. Square root ng r square is equal to r. So, since dalawa yung ating common ratio, magiging dalawa yung geometric mean natin. Two sets yung geometric mean. So, unahin natin r equals 3. Para makuha yung a sub 2, a sub 1 times the common ratio which is positive 3. A sub 2 equals a sub 1 times r. Ang a sub 1 natin is positive 2. Ang common ratio natin is positive 3. 2 times 3 is 6. Para naman kung ang ratio is negative 3, ganun din a sub 2 equals a sub 1 times r. Ang a sub 1 natin is 2. Ang r natin is negative 3. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. Therefore, the geometric mean between 2 and 18 are 6 or negative 6. So, pwedeng 6 yon, 2, 6, 18 or 2, negative 6, positive 18. Okay, that's the end of our tutorial. Before I end this video, I would like to share a simple quotation. The pessimist sees difficulty in every opportunity, while the optimist sees opportunity in every difficulty. That is from Winston Churchill. Thank you so much. Keep safe and have a great day.